Hello everyone, I want to show you this water heater, and I want to show you something that I found. I tried to fix the water heater from my kitchen, and I found out there was a leaking and I couldn't find where it leaks. So I disassembled it and I found that I cannot fix it because this kind of water heaters have a secure valve which is like this, and if this breaks, and this goes right here, as you can see here, and this part goes like that, like this, and it goes here. And when I saw that leaking was here, so I disassembled it, I cut the styrofoam, and I found that I cannot fix it because this stuff has a crack here. I will show you. And you simply cannot fix this. There, you see? You see this? So they make this stuff just to buy a complete new water heater. So if you have a problem like this, you just have to throw it in the garbage. Okay? Bye bye. See you. Thank you.